Welcome to MoneyMesh Mastery, your ultimate guide to smart investing, where we unveil 7 top stock picks for October 2025, specifically curated for beginners looking to grow their wealth. We're diving deep into opportunities that even those new to the market can confidently explore. These carefully selected stocks are backed by rigorous expert analysis from highly trusted sources like Zacks, TipRanks, and Motley Fool, ensuring that each recommendation is grounded in solid research and not merely speculative bets. Our goal is to provide you with reliable, actionable insights. October 2025 presents a uniquely strong investment opportunity, with the market experiencing a significant rally driven by groundbreaking AI advancements and a robust, ongoing economic recovery. This creates a fertile ground for strategic investments. From an initial pool of over 50 stocks rated as strong buy by leading analysts, we've meticulously narrowed it down to the top 7, based on their exceptional growth potential, strong analyst consensus, and proven real-world performance in dynamic market conditions. First up is NVIDIA, ticker NVIDIA, currently priced at $183.22. NVIDIA stands as an undisputed leader in AI chips, dominating the market with its powerful GPUs that are essential for powering data centers and advanced AI applications globally. Motley Fool projects an impressive upside potential of up to 50% for NVIDIA, making it a compelling choice. Beginners can easily invest through user-friendly apps like Robinhood or Fidelity, starting with an accessible amount as low as $100, allowing for gradual portfolio building. Next, we have Meta Platforms, ticker Meta, priced at $716.92. This social media giant is rapidly evolving, integrating advanced AI into its advertising platforms and making significant strides in developing the immersive metaverse, positioning itself for future growth. TipRanks analysts believe Meta could deliver strong returns, driven by its innovative strategies and market position. Fractional shares on platforms like Vanguard make it highly accessible for beginners, encouraging a long-term hold to capitalize on its transformative potential. Idea 3 is Micron Technology, ticker MU, priced at $202.38. Micron is a true powerhouse in memory chips, providing critical components for both cutting-edge AI systems and the rapidly expanding electric vehicle market, making it a foundational technology play. Zacks ranks MU as a strong buy, a testament to its robust position, driven by persistent chip shortages and consistently strong earnings reports. The company shows significant growth potential in both data centers and the burgeoning EV sector, promising substantial returns. Apogee Therapeutics, ticker APG, at $55.15, is an exciting emerging biotech company that is innovating groundbreaking therapies for a range of chronic diseases, representing a high-growth sector with significant medical impact. TipRanks highlights APG as a high-risk, high-reward pick, reflecting the dynamic nature of biotech. With the sector booming due to AI-driven advancements, it's crucial to invest conservatively and ensure diversification to manage potential volatility effectively. If you're truly serious about building lasting wealth and securing your financial future, please hit that like button. This simple action helps YouTube show you more valuable investing content like this, tailored to your interests. Moving to Fiserv, ticker FI, at $121.65, a recognized leader in financial technology. Fiserv provides essential services for payments and banking technology, underpinning much of the modern financial infrastructure and driving digital transformation. TipRanks analysts see FI as a top performer due to its consistently strong earnings and strategic market position. You can easily buy shares through no-fee platforms like Schwab, and by reinvesting dividends, you can significantly accelerate your long-term growth. Idea 6. NetApp, ticker NTP, at $119.07, specializing in advanced cloud storage solutions. NetApp's technology is crucial for supporting the massive data demands of modern AI applications, making it a key player in the digital economy. U.S. News rates NTP a top stock for 2025, citing robust enterprise demand for its services and strong upside potential. As companies continue to invest heavily in data infrastructure, NetApp is poised for substantial growth and market expansion. Finally, we present JP Morgan Chase, ticker JP Morgan, at $297.56, a venerable blue-chip banking giant. As one of the largest and most respected financial institutions globally, JP Morgan offers a foundation of stability and consistent performance. Zacks recommends JP Morgan for its exceptional stability and attractive high dividend yields, offering reliable returns with minimal volatility. Investing in JP Morgan can be likened to a high-yield savings account, but with the added benefit of stock market exposure and growth potential. There you have it, 7 top stocks to consider in October 2025, each offering strong growth potential and backed by expert analysis, all brought to you by MoneyMesh Mastery, your trusted source for financial insights. We encourage you to pick one that aligns perfectly with your personal financial goals, conduct your own thorough research, and start investing wisely and strategically. Which of these promising stocks are you adding to your watch list first? Share your thoughts with us. If you love clear, beginner-friendly investing videos like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss one of our valuable updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Let's weave your path to wealth in 2025 together.